4 bulging discs, 2 in my neck, 2 in my lower back, and 1 herniated disc in my lower back. I have a 21-year-old son that's a spastic quadriplegic that I do all his care. Bathing, picking up. He weighs 120 pounds now, and I guess from the 21 years of doing this is how I've injured my back, because I didn't know the proper way to lift, or so I mean all my knees were horrible, my back, my neck. It was bad. I was in therapy for almost 7 years on and off. I went to 3 different therapy places. When I came here, this was the first one that ever explained to me that you need to get those discs apart in order for the blood flow to heal anything, and I had never been told that all the times. When I came here, I was at the end of my rope. I was ready to check out because I've had injections. I had RFA, radio frequency ablation, done. Chiropractors. I tried everything. They recommended that I fuse the spine, but with having my son, if that doesn't work, then I'm in bad shape, because I'm the only one who takes care of him, and I have to be able to take care of him. At least when I had the pain, I could still do him and, you know, continue with his care. But if I was crippled by a surgery, I would have to put him in a home, which I'm not willing to do. I started treatment about 3 months ago, and I come 3 days a week, 2 hours a day, and I can honestly say at my 16th appointment, when I came in and they asked me what my back pain was, I had nothing. I was like, oh my God, I don't have any. And it was the first time in 7 years that I had no pain whatsoever. It was a 10. No matter what I did, it was excruciating. I can't take pain medication, so I would take ibuprofen and just suffer through everything. But today, God brought me to this place and I have zero, nothing. If I feel a little ache or something coming on, I have the tools now to know what to do to better myself. Getting dressed was a struggle. Taking care of my son was a struggle. I no longer went to family functions, or I have 9-year-old twins. I couldn't play with them in the yard. The only thing I could really do with them was go in the swimming pool, because I could walk around in the pool. But I have all that back now. I can do anything with all of them and not have any discomfort at all. And I mean none. It's amazing to me, because I never thought I would see this day that I just saw my life going downhill. And when I seen that commercial on TV, I felt like it was a godsend to me, because first of all, it was the Bears, and I was a big Bears fan when the 2 guys that I saw on TV were in it. And when I saw the doctor, Jeff Winterheimer, when I was younger, I had a doctor named Louis Winterheimer that I absolutely adored. So to me, it was like it was a godsend. My goal was to be able to sleep all night without any pain. I have reached that, and I would say probably 10 years is the first time that I have slept all night. Everyone is friendly, everybody welcomes you. In the very beginning, they said there's nothing to be embarrassed about, that, you know, we're all here for the same reason, because that was a big thing, that I knew I couldn't do a lot of things. And you know, when I see people twice my age out there doing something, it's like, but I could do it all now. Oh, possibilities are endless now because, you know, they've taught me so much about taking care of myself. My food, my water, that was a big thing. I wasn't a water drinker, and now that's all I drink. I drank Diet Pepsi for 40 years, and the day I walked in here and she told me Diet Pepsi or diet soda is not good for you, and I haven't had one since. By all means to do it, because if it's anything like what happened to me, you'll be amazed at the results. My neurologist, when I went in to visit him, I says to him, hey, you want to go dancing? And he looked at me and he said, what? I said, do you want to go dancing? He says, really? And I said, that's how good I feel. And he actually wanted to meet with Dr. Jeff, and I believe they did meet up at some kind of function so that they could talk, and he says he's going to recommend his patients to come here.